Well, hi, YouTube. It's the old dog coming back at you. 2 in a row. What do you know, huh? So I'm with my buddy Rachel over here. And Rachel's here at the little compound during the big quarantine. And she's friends with May. And she's also friends, excuse me, with one of my subscribers. And there's kind of an interesting story about those two. So I'm going to give you a chance to talk, Rachel, and tell everybody who you are. And we'll go from there.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I am the friend of May and Paul.
Now, how did you meet May?
And my BF introduced to me for me.
Okay, so your boyfriend, who you've not met in person yet, no?
Only video call.
Only on video calls. Now, that's interesting because a lot of people have done a lot of videos about long-distance relationships.
Yeah.
And I've kind of held off on doing any videos about that stuff because I didn't feel like I had enough information to be of any help to anybody. But now, I've got somebody that's actually doing it and living it, right?
Yes.
So that's you and my friend. So let's get into that a little bit. How did you meet your boyfriend online?
One of my friend, who is a close friend that Pierre and my friend is introduced to me.
Okay.
The name of my friend is Judy.
Judy.
Yeah,
Okay.
Judy and Pierre is a close friends.
Ah, okay. So Pierre is your boyfriend,
Yes.
right? Your long distance boyfriend.
Yes.
And he's friends with a woman named Judy.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to assume here that Per and Judy were talking. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And I don't know how it came about, but did Judy say, hey, I have a girl for you to meet?
Yeah.
Or did she say to you, I have a guy for you to meet?
Yeah.
Is that how it worked?
She told me that I have some guy to refer to you, like that.
Uh-huh.
And then I searched the name. Then he accept me.
Okay, all right. So you reached out to him.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Now, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
30 years old. And you're a single mom?
Yes. I have one son.
Okay. And how old is your son?
9 years old.
9?
Yes.
God, that's a great age.
Yeah.
9 years old is for a boy. It's a boy?
Yeah, it's a boy.
Whew. I'd like to meet him. I could have some fun with that kid. Because 9 years old, that's when everything's righteous with a guy. They're not interested in girls yet, but they're old enough to, be curious. I have 3 sons. And that age was like 8, 9, 10. That was rocking. Anyway, it's not about me.
Okay.
So your son, and I'm going to ask you this question. You don't have to answer it, but where is your son's father?
He already met some girls. He married.
He's married.
Yeah.
Okay. So you two were never married.
No.
Okay. You were boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yeah.
You got pregnant.
Yeah.
You had the baby.
Yes.
And your boyfriend is a Filipino.
Yep.
Okay. How did you meet him?
We're co-workers.
Oh, you were co-workers.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long were you and him dating, or how long were you and him boyfriend and girlfriend?
7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
No kidding. Now how?
5 years I get pregnant. Then after 7 years we broke up.
Okay. So how old were you when you met your Filipino boyfriend?
20.
You were 20, and you guys were together for 7 years.
I know. I see. 17.
You were 17.
Yeah, we're 17.
Okay. All right. That's fair. That's easy enough. So you were 17. How old was he when you were 17? How old was he?
I think 5 years gap.
So he was 22?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. And you were together for 7 years total?
Yeah.
And how long were you together before you got pregnant?
Running 5.
1.5 years?
Maybe.
Maybe 1.5 years?
Yeah.
So
I
how
remember.
old? Oh, that's okay. How old were you when you got pregnant?
Me?
And yeah,
20.
you were 20. So you guys were together for 3 years.
Oh, 3 years.
Yeah, that's cool. It's all right. I get dates. Well, trust me. Wait till you're 60.
You know?
So, okay, so you guys were together for 3 years approximately.
Yeah.
You got pregnant, and then so he was still involved in your life, right?
Yes.
So you guys were still together for several years.
Yeah.
And then you broke up, and what was the reason that the two of you broke up?
He cheated.
He cheated.
On me.
Okay. I hear that a lot. Does that happen a lot out here? Do the Filipino guys cheat a lot?
Yeah, you know the man of the Philippines is so annoying when they say when they look at the girls, they cheat like that.
I understand. And what about the girls, though? I mean, when the girls know that this guy has got a girlfriend like
Yeah,
you, and
she
he
know.
has a baby, the girls don't say, "Hey, whoa, this is wrong."
No,
They don't.
because she love my ex.
Uh huh.
She love they love each other maybe.
Okay. Well,
So
that's
I-
water under the bridge, I guess. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
So I have to what's that? I have to quit the relationship with my ex.
Okay. All right. Well, that's enough about that, I guess. We got the groundwork, though. I think that's important to know. But I don't think you're alone in that. I hear a lot of single moms out here, and kind of the typical story that I hear, I may be wrong, is that there's not much to do in the province, so the boys and the girls get together, and they produce a baby, and then the boy kind of runs away.
Yeah.
Does that happen a lot, or is
Yes.
it does? Okay, because I don't want to perpetuate some rumor, but anyway, that's what I hear. So, did you get interested in a foreigner before Judy mentioned this man to you, or was that the first time you even thought about meeting a foreigner?
Yeah, this is the first time.
This is the first time.
Yes.
And what do you think about dating a foreigner? I mean, you see May with me, right? And what do you think about meeting with a foreigner? Are you scared? Are you happy? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
A little bit nervous, but I think Pierre is a good man and he's a sweet man.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think Pierre is he will never be cheated on me.
I don't think so either, because I know him a little bit. I mean, I don't know him in person either. I have a long distance relationship with Per also.
You're so good. You're such a joker. You're like Pierre. Pierre's
He helps me with my YouTube channel. No, but he's a sweet guy.
Yeah.
And he's funny too, I'll tell
Yeah,
you what.
funny.
He really
He always-
is a funny guy. And so, yeah, I won't go into the stories, but they are fun. He's a funny man. I love him. Anyway, I'm happy for you. Now, how long have you been talking with him?
Running 3 weeks.
How long?
3 weeks.
3 weeks only. Oh, okay. And do you plan to meet him soon, or are we in trouble because of the quarantine thing?
Yeah, this coming October 1, he will come here.
Okay. Okay.
To
Well,
meet me.
I hope they let the flights come in. Now,
Yeah.
what country is he in?
Denmark.
Denmark. Okay. And he's a computer guy, I think.
Yeah,
IT guy. IT guy. Yeah. And I drive him nuts because I don't know what I'm doing. He tries to help me. So that's exciting. Now, what happened today? Pierce sent me some money, and I gave it to May, and she did what with the money? What happened today when you came over?
Yeah, May surprised me. Thank you to the effort, May and Paul.
You're welcome.
The
But
surprise.
tell the folks what happened.
Yeah, surprise for Pierre. I'm so flattered that there's a surprise with me.
And what did you get?
A flower. And a
Flowers
sweet chocolates.
and chocolates,
Yeah, cakes.
a cake.
Yes,
Was that exciting?
yes.
Did you know it was happening?
No, I'm not. May blindfold. So I'm so
I was asleep during all this.
when I walk, I'm getting nervous because maybe this is a prank or she will push me in the pool or whatever.
Well, the day's not over.
And the finish like
How about you and me push May in the pool? I mean, that would be fun.
I-
May, what do you think? So that's exciting. So this is a long distance relationship.
Yeah.
Now, after you broke up with your boyfriend, okay, the father,
yeah.
how long were you single? I mean, have you dated anybody since that guy?
Yeah, I have met 3 guys, but not seriously.
Not seriously. No, were they all Filipinos?
Yeah,
They were. And how did you meet them?
friends by friends.
Okay, that's the best way. That's the best way. Now, have you ever been on a dating site?
No,
No. Did you ever think about, I know I'm repeating myself here, but I got to ask because have you ever thought before you talked to your friend Judy, did you ever think about dating a person from another country, a foreigner, a white guy?
yeah, the in my mind I want to date the other guy,
Mm-hmm.
like white man.
Uh-huh.
But maybe maybe this is not the right time, so I just wait.
Okay.
So that's why Judy
Uh-huh.
sent me like that. So I just grabbed the name of her friend.
Okay. And how old is Per?
65.
65.
Yes.
And you're 30.
Yes.
Now, do you have a problem with the age difference?
No.
No?
Yeah. Age doesn't matter.
Really? What does matter? What is important?
If you love the man, you have to be true to yourself. Now, even the age is very high, it's okay.
Uh-huh. Well, Per seems to be in pretty good shape,
Yeah.
unlike me.
No,
I could go any minute. Right, May? Yeah, yep. So, well, you know what we didn't do was, would you just put that up on the couch back there? Just put it back up there. Okay. All right. That's our chicken.
chicken.
All right. So, if you had to say something to Pierre right now, what would you say?
What?
What would you like to tell Pierre right now? Because he's going to watch this video.
Hi, love. Thank you for the surprise, and I'm so appreciated, very appreciated that you give me a surprise like this, and it's so what we call this kilig or.
Yeah.
No, all I say is thank you and I love you.
That's very sweet. All right. Well, we're going to wrap it up. As always, guys, I appreciate your comments and your suggestions and your feedback. So, Rachel, you got any last words here for the folks back there in YouTubeville?
Hi guys, I hope my message is clear or.
Yeah, you did really good, by the way. You know, your English is awesome. It really
Yeah,
is.
well, this is the first time
Mhm.
to put in the what you call this blog or
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
yeah. Then hi to,
Most people call it hypertrophy.
and hi to advanced basher. Maybe you will bash me or.
Well, yeah, those guys are going to come. I'll tell you what. And what we do for those people is we try to treat them with kindness and love because there's something that's missing in their life.
Yeah.
And so those are the people that we want to pray for, that we want to try to bless in some way, shape, or form, and just try to understand them.
Yeah.
Okay? So, but I filter all the comments. So if they say anything really rude, no one's going to see it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So anything else? May, you want to say anything? Huh?
Okay, hi.
You want to come over and say hi?
Yeah, see hi.
Well, hurry up
Come here.
before we run out of tape here on the VHS. Uh-oh.
Hi guys, I visit to the default channel.
So did you have fun buying the cake and buying the flowers and getting the cookies and the candy bars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm here in the default channel. I visit her guys. I'm very happy because I give to request the subscriber for give the surprise the girlfriend. So I'm so happy guys. Guys, please subscribe my.
You quit with the commercials on your channel. Holy moly. Give me that microphone. Absolutely no shame whatsoever. Good Lord, it's all about me. My cooking channel. Trying to have a nice conversation with Rachel, and you know, you're. Good Lord. See what I have to put up with? Do you understand where I'm coming from? This is not easy. All right? All right, well, say goodbye, ladies.
Bye.
Say goodbye, May.
Bye bye.
And no more about your goofy cooking channel. Bye, everybody.